Hello and welcome back to Unboxing Things. Today we are going to be looking at the JBL Flip 5. The Flip 5 retails for $179 in Singapore, but right now there is a discount promotion thing going on and it's only being sold for $129. If you're getting the device from Popular Bookstore, a popular book store in Singapore, they're actually having another promotion running at the same time in which you get $10 off if you spend above $100. So in total, I spent 119 Singapore dollars on this. This is what the front of the box looks like. This is what the side of the box looks like. You can see the UV coating on the box right there. This is what the back of the box looks like. Hopefully today with this device, we are gonna be able to dare to listen, whatever that means. All right, let's open this up. The tape on the sides is not some ordinary kind of tape. It feels actually very sturdy. I'm quite impressed about that. Inside the box, we find two sections of different things. The first one is presumably some paperwork. Very nice. Inside the document packet, you will find some kind of quality control sheet, a quick start guide, more paperwork, a silica gel packet, another set of paperwork, and finally a JBL branded USB-A to USB-C connector. And finally here, the main event. In some kind of stiff styrofoam box is a JBL logo and some kind of like diagonal stripe print. Whoa, look at that. On the front of the device right here is the JBL logo on some kind of metallic looking emblem. The logo itself is engraved into the metal with a white paint base. Feels really nice on the hands. On the back we have some kind of syncing up logo, lower volume, increase volume, and play button. And on the back there's a charging port and a power bar of sorts. This is the on-off switch. Whoa. To be honest, that sound effect didn't sound very good. And here there's a Bluetooth pairing button. On one end of the device there is also some kind of paracord cable for you to hold your speakers while you walk around. And finally, on the Flip 5, the base is on this side as well as this side. Let's try pairing the device right now. Well, yeah, they got a card, but are they real cardists? Let's listen how the audio sounds like. Alright, pretty good. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is the full package for the JBL Flip 5. It's currently on sale and there's quite a few promotions going on since it's the end of the year. If any of you guys are interested in it, I recommend it. It's pretty good. In fact, this is actually the second copy of the JBL Flip 5 I've bought. The first copy of it I actually gave to my girlfriend who enjoys it really much. Until next time guys, I'm unboxing things. Thank you guys very much for watching and I'll talk to you guys again in the next video. Bye bye.